Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the ATAN command, means arc tangent command in LSPLC. First of all, we will open our XE5000 software and here we will be use the ATAN command. I will delete this one and again we will be check. Click it on the F10 and after you will be see type in the search bar A10. When you type A10 after you will be found in the function list A10, A10 real, A10 long real and you can click it on the A10. Next you have to be give the two data registers. An example MD10 I will be give and in the output also we will be type the MD20. And now first I wrote some note down some comments for you and I will share with you. You can see also if you can pause the video and you can take the screenshot. Otherwise I will also give the give this page in the description box. Why and where using this command and why using this command I will little explain you. Converting the sensor data into angles. What he says, many industrial sensors such as resolvers, tilt sensors and coulometers output two separate analog signals representing sine and cosine voltages. What's the use? To find out the actual physical angle of the machine part, like the tilt of a heavy lifting boom on a crane. The PLC divides the sine voltage by the cosine voltage and use the ATAN command to convert that ratio into a readable angle in degrees. Second example, winding web handling systems. In paper, steel or textile manufacturing, material is wound into a roll. As the roll gets larger, the geometry of the machine changes. The, the A10 command is used to calculate the changing angle of the material web. This angle is then used to mathematically adjust the motor torque so the material doesn't stretch or snap. Third, solar tracking systems. In large-scale solar farms controlled by the PLCs, the panels must follow the sun based on the time of day and the geographical coordinates. The PLC use trigonometry including means A10 to calculate the exact angle of the sun and commands the motor to tilt the panels accordingly. Important things to know when using the A10 in the PLC. Floating point math. The A10 command only works with floating point numbers, real or long real data types. You cannot input standard integers. You must convert them to the real first. The result is in radians, not in degrees. When the A10 command outputs the angle, it will be in radians because the humans and HMI screens usually require degrees. You must add the math rung after the A10 command to convert them. So practically also we will be check in the command. For an example, first we will this connect with our PLC. This we have to be connect our cable to our PLC and again we will be go and connect to the PLC. As this will be connected, this green bar will be shown. After you can click it on the right and click OK and click yes. and make the monitor. And now you can see there is a nothing any value. For an example, here we will put some value. For an example, 0.1 we will be type, and after we will be see the answer is 0.099. So we can check by the Google also this our command is working properly or not. For an example, we will go to the this is decimal to binary and we need the ATAN converter. ATANCON. We are CON convert into radians. Here you can find arc turn to radians. In this calculator we can, yeah, this we can find arc turn. We will make this smaller within our, and we will be send the value 0.1 we type in our command and we check this value. This value in degree is 5.710 and in the radians you can see 0.099. One more value we can verify by the Google. Calculate this one and you can see 25 degree 25.5650 degrees and in radians 0.463, and we will check by the our 0.5 we have to be typed and click OK. And what's the answer in degrees? 0.4636. 0.4636 means our command is working properly. So which any value when you send it at the MD10, after you will be get the answer in the MD20. Also if you like to be put it here the one any bit, also you can put here. For an example, MX0 if I would like to put, after when I execute this one, after our value will be transferred. So again we will be download this program into the PLC and click it OK. Click yes, again click OK and click OK. And now you can see for an example 1.0 I will be type, but this value is not forward because of why we use this one here the input. As we will be make it on this command, after you will be see the answer 0.785 radians. So this way you can use this command in the LSPLC. Hope you will be understand about this arctan command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.